Hello Alain, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2014 Honda GL1800, the Valkryie. Currently has 6,977 miles on it. The current asking price is $13,388 plus HST licensing. And here's the VIN for your insurance purposes. It is an 1832 liquid cooled 6-cylinder engine. As you can see, it's very clean, comes fully certified, it's in great condition. No damages, one previous owner, and everything is stock on it. Black exterior, black seat as you can see. Very nice drive, very easy to maneuver, and it commands attention on the street. If you'd like to come into Voss Motors to take a closer look at this Valkryie, you are more than welcome to. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.